In this video, we're going to break down how you can create a Shopify website for your business. So if you've never created a Shopify website before, what you want to do is go to Google, just type in Shopify, click on the link to their website. You'll be taken to their homepage. And what you want to do is you just want to make an account to start the free trial. So once you have an account, once you're all set up, now Shopify, keep in mind, they do have some pricing that you have to keep in mind. I believe it's 26. Okay, so it's not 29 anymore. It's $26 for the basic, 71 for the kind of medium package. Then the advanced is 266 a month. But for most people, I believe they start off with the 26 option here. So once you actually have your account, you have everything set up, you're going to be taken to, or you can navigate to your admin account. And so here is where you can actually get started building your website. So if you've never seen Shopify before, this is where you want to come, your admin section. From here, you want to click on online store. Online store, this is going to take you to your themes section. So your themes is the theme or the website that people are going to see when they come to your link. So as an example, the theme that's current, it will actually tell you here. I believe it says uh current theme, yes, right there. So that's the theme that's currently live. So if you want to see how it looks like live, just click these three dots, click on preview, it goes to a new tab, and you'll be able to see your theme live. So if you want to make any change to that theme, all you do is you click on customize like this. You'll be taken to the theme editor where you can make changes to the images, you can rechange the logo, you can change colors. There's a whole bunch of things that you can do on this theme editor. Of course, there's also here a section for your orders. Any orders that you have coming in, you'll have that section here. This store, it's a development store, so there's no orders, but this is where your orders will come if or once they come. This is where all your products will be on your store. So you have this section here. You can look at the inventory, you can manage that. You can change the prices of the product. You can change the titles, the descriptions, a whole lot of things you can do here. You can also manage the customers. So Shopify even has their own kind of CRM where you can manage customers and save information about them to help you know more about who is buying your products. And one very useful tool I think is very important is analytics. This is going to be able to tell you, especially who is coming to your website, what page they're coming to, how long they're staying for, and if anybody is coming back. These are very important things to know for whoever owns a website. Just some very important details to know regarding analytics that you want to keep in mind on your Shopify website. So if you also come back to online store, there's the pages. You can also manage the different pages on your store. You can manage the navigation bar or the links at the top of your website. So there's a whole lot of things that you can keep in mind when looking at how to create a Shopify website for your business. It may seem like a lot, but once you start to understand some of the pieces needed, then it becomes much easier. So if you're looking for a custom Shopify theme to get you up and running, it's your first store, you're looking to get up and running, you can come to our Etsy store here, where we have 5 custom themes, premium Shopify themes to help get you up and running. And if you also need help setting up your store, you have questions about how to get started, maybe there's a certain feature that you want to do, you're not sure how to do it, you can come to a website, zqdo.info, and there you can see our services that we can help you set up your store. Or maybe if you just have a question, just feel free to send me an email, zqdo.tech@gmail.com. I'll try my very best to help you if I can help you see how you can solve the problem. But you can just send me an email, zqdo.tech@gmail.com. And here we also have some of our work, our previous work that you can take a look at. So I hope this video helped you understand how you can get started creating a Shopify website for your business. There's a lot of resources also on Google if you need extra help that you can help get you that can help get you up and running to start your store. But it's very simple, it's very easy once you understand some of these pieces, and I hope this video was able to help you.